Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Woo! I just got finished power washing, waiting on the floor to dry so I can paint it. Let me show y'all. See, power wash the floor, got the carpet up. They'll go to the stain blocker. I'm gonna stain block it first, then I'm painting the floor gray. Y'all see the difference. Carpet up is cleaned up. Anyway, y'all, I'm just showing y'all the progress I'm making on my new storage room. Yeah. Gonna paint it as soon as the floor dry. I got my floor fan over here. Trying to make it drier. Trying to dry it quick. I guess I'll paint it. It'll probably be dry enough for me to paint it tomorrow. I'm just showing y'all the progress. Anyway, y'all, we picking the hood too. Yeah. Peace.